Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
According to Livestrong, you can turn any sauce or liquid into a glaze by carefully boiling it to reduce the water content, leaving it thicker as the water evaporates. But, as Olive Nation asserts, this is technically just a reduction, a thicker sauce with concentrated flavors. 9 October 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
What's the difference between a sauce and a glaze? A sauce is a condiment that is added to food after it is cooked, and a glaze is applied during the cook. Most glazes tend to be a lot thicker than any sauce you use, and the sugar levels are a lot higher. Use glazes on ribs, chicken, duck, and seafood. 4 January 2021.
Take our lead.
Applying at the right time when grilling. Begin brushing on the sauce, adding 2 or 3 more coats until you remove the meat from the grill. If you notice a flare up, move the meat to a cooler part of the grill. Ribs, however, can handle more sauce applied earlier in the cooking process. 2 October 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Sauce. There are 2 ways to deal with the sauce or glaze. You could do a reduction in a pan before baking or after baking by simmering until it thickens. Or you can cheat and add in a cornstarch slurry to save time. I always do this because it's fast, I can control the consistency, and it's just easier overall.
Let's help you make your mark.
There is really only one way glazes should be applied, and that's by using a pastry or silicone brush to brush the glaze onto the meat. While it can be tempting to just pour the glaze on, this may not entirely coat the piece of meat, leaving some of it lacking in the flavor you're looking for. 6 November 2017.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.